Ready to supercharge your workday communication? Microsoft Teams Chat is your secret weapon for seamless collaboration. Start by signing into Teams with your company account. Click the chat icon on the left to connect with your colleagues instantly. Pin important conversations to keep them at your fingertips. Use the search bar for fast, precise access to any chat. Share files directly by dragging and dropping them into your chat, streamlining teamwork and keeping projects on track. Express yourself with emojis, GIFs, and stickers. For quick feedback, use a thumbs up or heart to keep remote work human. Unlock pro tips. Type /commands like /files to see shared files or /mention to notify teammates instantly. Save important messages for easy access later. Explore Loop components by typing /loop for live collaboration. Organize chats into groups and mute notifications to stay focused. Dive into hidden features. Translate messages, schedule messages for later, and set reminders so nothing is missed. With every step, your animated guide is here to celebrate smarter teamwork. Master Teams Chat, boost productivity, and make every dialogue count. Let's put these tools into action and help your team thrive.